Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy location link in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now, to copy the location link in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to copy the location link, first we will be required tap and hold on the location of the place which we want to copy the link of. So in order to proceed, let's tap and hold on the place over here where it says More Burger and Delicious Fries. Let's tap and hold on it, and when this pin appears, or red pin appears, this kind of interface will be available for us. And you can see there is the direction start save button for us. When we swipe it to the left, there is the share button also available for us. Tap on the share button and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the link of the Google Maps available for us at the top of this interface where it says Maps. So let's again tap on the share, and there is the link available for us over here. And if you tap on the copy button at the right side of that option at the top, and you can see, guys, it says copy to clipboard, and that is how we will be able to copy the link location in Google Maps. Let's try it for a different location. Let's close this and let's try it for my location over here. Let's tap and hold on my location, and when this interface appears, there is the share button over here just beside the directions buttons over here. When you swipe it to the left, there is the share button. Let's tap on the share button over here, and again when this appears, you can see the copy paste button available for us over here. Tap on that copy paste button and your link will be copied on your clipboard, and you will be able to paste it wherever you like. For example, I'll be just pasting it on the WhatsApp. So let's paste it to myself over here, and let's paste it, and you can see, guys, the location has been copied and pasted over here. By this way, guys, you will be able to copy the location link in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.